What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the Blockchain Almanac Weekly Crypto Report, where we educate, protect, and empower all investors in the blockchain space. And remember, blockchain is more than just crypto, but it's still important that we keep track of these markets. So we're here to help you do that without any of the hype and with a data-driven approach. So another week, another round of blockchain and crypto news. And to start this week, Bitcoin gets closer to the 10,500 mark, but pulled back over the weekend. Altcoins, which have been outperforming Bitcoin so far this year, also had a major pullback this weekend. Bitcoin manufacturing company nibbles at Bitmain's market share. And finally, OKEx partners with Indian cryptocurrency exchange to launch a leveraged futures market. So let's get you all caught up. A month and a half into the new year, Bitcoin continues its bull run, rising close to 10,500. A few reasons to consider for the price rise: the upcoming halving event, the coronavirus and volatility, central banks taking interest in DeFi reaching 1 billion. But over the weekend, we saw a swift pullback in Bitcoin's prices, moving down over 5%. Ethereum and other altcoins also had a big pullback this week, but Ether still outperformed Bitcoin by 12% for the week. The overall crypto market cap dropped from 300 billion back down to 280 billion this week. Although we've seen a dramatic increase in prices over the last 30 days, the weekend's volatility has investors questioning what the market will do next. Altcoins suffered huge losses, and a few very large transactions by one trader on the Bitfinex exchange caused significant shifts in the price of Bitcoin that also put a damper on investors' enthusiasm. After the price fell by more than 5% in a matter of minutes, several massive trades were registered by an address known to be associated with a wealthy Bitcoin holder. By placing these large trades, the whale was able to quickly recover around 10 million of value as a result. As the crypto markets continue its strong start, the industry is quickly getting prepared for the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. The reduction in mining rewards will push crypto prices up, but also promises to fundamentally change the economics of Bitcoin mining, because it will require significantly more computing resources. This has forced the major mining operations to re-examine their business models and purchase new mining equipment that will prepare them for the shift. New mining equipment players like MicroBT announced this week that it sold over 500,000 mining units in 2019, competing with the mining equipment leader, Bitmain. The growing competition in the mining hardware space will be another factor to watch as we prepare for the implications of the halving event. Indian-based cryptocurrency exchange CoinDCX has partnered with trading platform OKEx to offer futures products specifically for the Indian subcontinent market. CoinDCX announced that the strategic partnership will help it develop a new derivative facility known as DCX Futures in return for providing OKEx with a foothold in the Indian market. The new derivatives platform will allow Indian investors to trade futures with leverage up to 15 times on 9 different cryptocurrencies. This announcement represents yet another move by a major exchange to offer crypto-backed derivatives and shows that the markets continue to develop demand for more sophisticated offerings. So those were the top headlines this week. Now let's dig in to see what the actual overall crypto markets did. And to do that, we'll take a look at the Blockchain Benchmark Index, which is a comprehensive metric that just makes it easier to track the overall crypto markets and every relevant sector of the space. So the blockchain benchmark finally cooled off this week, down 3.7%. Bitcoin, after a strong start to the week, ended the week down 1.87%. And on the other hand, Ethereum, after the slump from the weekend, was still up 16.6% for the week, and Ripple was up 3.5%. The SMID-cap index also cooled down this week, down 4.47%, with Ethereum Classic after a monster start to the year, down 18.43% for the week. Market dominance gives you a nice sense of what the overall crypto markets look and feel like, with Bitcoin still very much on the top of the list, but with Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and Litecoin all fighting for that fourth spot. And year to date, the large cap benchmark index is up 44.08%, the SMID cap index is up 67.22%, the S&P 500 is up 4.62%, and gold up 2.8%. So thanks for joining us, and remember, crypto is risky. Past performance is not indicative of future success, so use caution and allocate appropriately. Now, at the Almanac, we're cynical optimists. We don't drink the industry Kool-Aid, but we're strong believers in the fundamentals of blockchain. So we're here to help you track these markets responsibly and an eye on risk-adjusted returns. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and come back next week for the latest trends and headlines happening in blockchain and cryptocurrency.